This is the plastic zipper foil machine. Okay, let's see. We use this foil, the golden color foil, to melt it on the zipper surface. Look, this machine. And here is the heater. The new model, the heater is on the down position because the heat temperature is from down up coming up. So this is to make sure that the temperature is more stable for the zipper working. Oh, sorry. 哎，这个我是动了它吗？
没有这样，可能
OK
手会拉紧拉出来。
So the zipper tape, very beautiful, golden color. So beautiful. Come on，細細地俾我，俾個手細細地我，係可以，係，可以停到佢，
可以停啊。
CC 可以停掉，OK，可以停掉。This machine is suitable both for number 5 or number 8 zipper. Only need one machine, then you can melt it for 2 size zipper. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Okay.